Hey, what's up guys? So this is David and Shay with Injured Gadgets. We're here in China for the first time for me. Shay, you've been here?
Yeah, we're actually in the offices of Injured Gadgets and Injured Gadgets 360. So yeah, we're just actually in the building of our main packaging office. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the main entry of our office and a few other things. We're going to give you a tour of China. We hope you enjoy it, and maybe a little bit later this year, one of you guys are going to win a trip to China.
Yeah,
Come
this is
check
the
it out.
IG360 office here. So we're going to be in China for the next couple days and wanted to take you guys along with us. So enjoy the ride and thanks for watching.
Yeah, go.
You can see here they're actually loading in some screens and through this hatch here into the clean room, and everyone inside of there is wearing the clothes. And you guys will see all the clothes that we were wearing.
Big inventory room.
Yeah, a lot of this is just additional storage. You'll see some of this in the B-roll here.
It goes all the way back. We have in this room tons of polarizers, backlights, frames, LCDs, tons of raw materials, as well as some stock we've already prepared for Injured Gadgets, as well as just the other partners that we have throughout the world.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
and then so we're gonna put all the clean clothes on here and get inside of the actual sorting facility, and you guys will see all the footage that I filmed in there. So.
So follow us in here. All right, so this room right here is actually where you would put on your clean room suit, and next time you guys see us, we'll be in our clean clothes and inside the assembly area.
Yep. So we're gonna walk through here and get disinfected.
See here, we've got the actual raw flex cable pre-bonded. You'll see right here, they get locked in. They'll go in the front here. The very beginning of the process.